Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python script which will actually find out the current time and time zone of any city in the world. You just need to basically provide the city name and then it will tell you the exact time and the time zone information about that specific city. So I basically built out this application. You will see, uh, let me run this Python script in the terminal python app.py. So here it will ask you for the location name. As soon as you run this application, it is saying that enter the city name. So here you will provide your city name. Let's suppose I provide any city. Let's suppose I say Pune, which is located in Maharashtra. You will see it will give you this information such as the latitude, longitude, time zone of Pune. You will see Asia slash Calcutta, which is in India, and then current time in Pune. You will see the actual date and current time, which is 15:45:52. The date here 15 May 2025, and then you can repeat this for any city. Let's suppose I say here I want to find out time here Sydney, which is in Australia. So if I plug this city name, enter it, you will find out the latitude, longitude, time zone, which is Australia slash Sydney, and you will see the time here, which is 20:16:24. This is the actual time here, current time in 24-hour format. So you can repeat this for any city here. It will find out all this useful information. Let's suppose I say here, I say Texas. You'll see that it's America. You can see current time. So for this application, we are using quite a number of packages, free open source packages of Python. So let me show you one by one. All the source code I have given in the description of the video. So first of all, you need to install this package, which is PYTZ. This is actually a free open source module which returns useful information about time zone and of certain different country names by providing city names. So you just need to install this module. This next module you need is the module which lets you find out the time zone. So this is TimezoneFinder. So the command is simple. You simply install this package as well for finding out the time zones of different locations on the earth. It will suggest you the coordinates such as the latitude, longitude. The third package is for doing the geo coding. It is called as Geopy. It's a Python open source geocoding package which will return the latitude and longitude from city name. So you also need this module as well. So these three modules are required. After installing it, just create a simple app.py file and I will show you step by step. Let me just uh, write this and just step by step show you. So just create a simple app.py file, and first of all you need to import all these packages one by one. Geocoders, we need to import this, and then from this time zone finder we need to import this time zone finder class, and then from this date time we need to import date time, and then we need to import lastly this package pytz for time zone information. So right here, here we just need to specify the city name. We just take this from the user. So here we'll be asking the simple question, enter your city name. Then we will be defining this simple method get time in city, and we pass the city name as an argument. And then we will define this function here which will be responsible for fetching all this information, get time in city, and we're passing the city name as an argument. And right inside this function we just need to first of all do the geolocating by using this class nomin. Here passing the user agent, you can just set any name for your user agent. I'm setting this. After that we just need to find out the location coordinates. So for doing this it contains this method geocode, and here you will be passing your city name, and then it will just convert this into latitude and longitude. As soon as, if I just execute this now application, and here you just provide any city name. Let's suppose I provide Auckland. You will see it will return this overall information, the overall address, and from this we just need to convert this into latitude and longitude. For doing this, we first of all say if the location is there, in that case latitude longitude, location dot and location dot longitude, and then we will be printing these coordinates very simply, which are contained inside this variables like this. You'll see that it will display the latitude and longitude. So once you got this information, once you get these coordinates, then it becomes really easy to locate the place. So after that we can find out the time zone information by calling this TimezoneFinder class, and then we create the variables time zone string, and using this object it contains a function here time zone at, and here you specify your longitude, latitude and longitude like this. So then it returns all this time zone information. So you'll be comparing that if the time zone is available, then in that case we just need to print this information. So if you just execute this application now, just put a comma right here. So it will display this time zone information as well, Pacific / Auckland. You will see that. After that we can get the current time in that particular location. So here you will be using this module pytz. It contains this function time zone, and here we will be passing the time zone string, and then we will extract the time of the city. So using the date time module dot passing the time zone and get the current time. So you can see how systematically each information is extracted from. So every other information is dependent upon the previous information. So we are extracting the current time from the time zone, and the time zone is extracted from the latitude longitude, and the latitude longitude was found out by using this geocoding. So all these things are interrelated to each other. So this information is systematically found out. You'll see that if I again type any other city here, you will see that. So in this easy way you can do this for any city name. You can build out a complete web application as well. So you can see, so you can see that in this easy way you can do this process. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.